back.
Okay. That is like this, huh? Both of you are like folded hands. Unboxing, yeah. Oh. Wow. Find out what is chicken, no? Bijoy?
A different kind of toaster.
See ya. See ya. Have fun in church.
What?
Hot pot. Hopefully.
Lunch Sunday.
Next.
Confirmed.
Okay. Alien. On this vlog, I'm actually gonna go watch shopping for a change, not sneaker shopping. My trusty old Omega Seamaster is actually not keeping enough of reserve. Best case scenario, it lasts like 12 to 16 hours. This watch I picked up in 2017, so it's been 5 years, and I think I need a secondary watch just to have a rotation going on. I'd seen this Tudor, actually I wanted the Tudor Black Bay, the one with the red or a maroon bezel, but I saw this all ceramic triple black, and triple black is not my thing. I don't even have triple black sneakers, but I saw this triple black ceramic Tudor, and I think it looks really nice on wrist, so I'm gonna go check it out right now.
A few moments later.
Well, I'm sorry guys, I didn't buy the watch because I guess I'm just too broke and I need to accept it. Instead, we had chai with Manoj, and I don't know what we're going to do next. Begin. You want to sit down and eat or? Shari got that Applebee's ribs. Puts with the fur. With the fur. Sangria.
Just wondering.
I still think the buffalo wings were like so nice.
Not bad.
Yeah, the London store.
Yeah,
Is that the same one we went to?
Day 2.
As usual, I'm just gonna sit and eat.
Thank you.
Normally.
Normal.
I ordered 20.
What's up you guys, welcome back to another sneaker unboxing. This time nothing that's brand new. I have the Nike Air Trainer. This came out sometime early last year, I think Feb or March 2022, but hey, a below retail deal for a nice sneaker, man's never gonna say no. The Air Trainer comes in this black glossy Nike logo box, and I think this usually happens when it's an SP, which is a special project. Like you can see on this label here, I went with my true size US 9 UK 8, and you see that's the Air Trainer 1 SP, and this one's the Coriander colorway. Without much further ado, let's lift the lid and get the pair out. Bam! Look at this. This pair is absolutely stunning. So the Air Trainer is an existing model. You have multiple different colorways coming out. Even Travis Scott did a collab on them. But between the Travis Scott and this general release pair, I mean an SP, but a general release nonetheless, I would still pick this one just because of all of the detailing that goes into it. Let's go through the details of the sneaker. Did I say details too much? If I did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, starting off with the outsole. There you have it, done in an all grey, and you have this nice subtle hit of the Nike branding there. The midsole's all yellow, but you have this grey bit that extends out from the outsole, and that's how it extends out in the front in grey as well. Nice range of colors. A lot of people hate on coriander, but hey, coriander is my favorite, man. You garnish that on any curry. Delicious. On the back, you have this Nike Air branding and a swoosh right there done in the heel. you also have this swoosh done on this plastic panel. I also found this pair when I was in Malaysia. If you watched my vlog, you'd have seen, and it was on clearance back then as well. But I already had 2 pairs of Jordans to bring back to India, so I didn't pick it up back then. But now, since I'm here in Dubai, and I don't know what it is about these brown sneakers, I'm really drawn to them. But the most standout feature, apart from the fact that all these hits in grey are all reflective 3M, so when you flash a light on it in low light conditions, these really stand out. This panel, you can see it better on the medial side, has this iridescent kind of a finish. It's all plastic. It's got this iridescent kind of finish. Reminds me of a Jordan 4. And the standout feature is obviously this clip that's on the forefoot. Now when I tried this pair, I went true to size. When I tried this pair on, I felt like the clip was kind of making it a little more snugger than I would have liked it. But you can adjust the length and make it a lot more comfier. Very utilitarian kind of feeling. And you have your toe box, of course, right here, done in mesh. No perforations. I don't know how the breathability will be on this. And then you have this entire strip running through with the laces being done under them, winding up with the Nike branding right there on this pull tab that doubles up as a lace securer. The same Nike color that you see here inside of the tongue. Man, let's get the stuffing out of the turkey. And on your insole, you have the Nike branding done right there in orange. So a lot of people said go up a half size. I tried a half size up, but I found that my heel was slipping for some reason. I think because everything is so secure right here that it feels too snug. So you want to go up a half size, but when you go up a half size, your heel starts slipping. That's at least been my personal experience. So I went with my true size. I'm going to loosen out the laces, loosen out the strap so there's not too much of a lockdown that constricts my motion. But yeah, a quick video to give you a rundown of this pair. There's a lot of other nice colorways that came out through the year, like the coconut milk and all of that, but this specific pair has this high vis utility workwear construction kind of a vibe that would go really well with the kind of outfits that I wear. Wearing Carhartt things but not doing Carhartt things kind of a vibe. Alright, I'm gonna slip these on feet to show you what they look like.
What's up? Thank you.
Do like a short break. Well, that's it for this video, you guys. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.